Good morning, students. Today I am here to present you some important facts about the planet. In our last video, we know about the facts of four planets or the four inner planets, and in this video we study the important facts of the outer planets. It means the last four planets, and these are yes, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In this video we know everything about these planets. Okay, let's start the class. Now let's know about the planet Jupiter. It is also known as the giant planet because it is very big in the size. That's why it is called the giant planet, and it is also known as the gaseous planet too. This is the fifth planet from the sun. It means its position from the sun is fifth. It is the largest planet in our solar system, almost hold 1300 Earth. It means its size is equal to 1300 Earths. Gas planet, as I said earlier, it is a gaseous planet also. Windy, cloudy of ammonia and water. Okay. All the time they are blowing the winds, and the clouds are made up of ammonia and water. Has red spots. When we see the Jupiter from the telescope, we can see its red spots. These are the giant spinning storms. These storms are continually going on the Jupiter surface. Okay, first is then 1 year is equal to 4331 Earth's days, almost 12 Earth years. When Earth completed 12 years, Jupiter complete only 1 year. 1 day is equal to 9 Earth hours. It means 56 minutes because of its rotation on its axis. That's why it's take 9 Earth hours only for the 1 day. Temperature is minus 48 degrees Celsius. It means that temperature is very low, so they are found cold everywhere. And it has 49 moon, 4 large ones and many small ones. Now I correct this sentence, that is it has almost 68 satellites or moons, and 53 are named, others are without names. Okay, next planet is Saturn. Everybody knows Saturn is a beautiful planet because of its rings. So let's check the details. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. In the position it got the sixth place. Saturn was the god of agriculture in Roman mythology. According to the Roman mythology, they consider it as the god of agriculture. We also consider the Saturn as a god, that is Shanidev. Saturn has 62 moons, 53 have been named. It has 62 moons and 53 have been named. It means we know the name of 53, or other are nameless. Most of them are small in size. Next is a year on Saturn is equal to 29.5 years. It means 29 years, 5 months on Earth. And the last is Saturn's rings are made up of water, ice, rocks, dust and other chemicals. That's why when we see the Saturn rings, they are sparkling in the atmosphere because of the gases present and the chemical present in the rings. The next seventh planet is Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet because it does not receive the heat and light from the sun. That's why because of the loss of temperature, temperature goes down. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun, and it has 27 moon. It has 27 moon, most of which are named after Shakespeare's character. William Shakespeare is a very beautiful poet, write many beautiful poems, and all the name of its moon are named after their characters. Uranus has 2 sets of rings. Like Saturn, it has also 2 rings, but these are not dense as like Saturn. That's why these are not completely visible. Now the next planet and the last planet of our solar system, that is planet Neptune. This is the eighth planet from the sun, uh, and very far away from the sun. That's why it's not getting any light and heat. This is the fourth largest planet and can fit about 60 Earth inside. It means that its size is equal to 60 Earth size. It is a gaseous planet, icy planet, windiest planet in the solar system, because all the time the wind are circulating on its surface. 1 year is like 60,119 earth days. It means almost 165 earth years. When earth completed 165 years of its rotation, the Neptune planet completed only 1 year, and the days are equal to 16 earth hours, almost 7 minutes. It means it is because of its spinning speeds. That's why 16 earth hours. Temperature is 200 minus 214 degrees centigrade, and it has 30 moon. These largest is Triton. Now we are come to the end of our facts, our videos, and hope you understand all the facts and enjoying the video. Bye bye students.